suicide prevention. Suicide prevention we can do with the help of the positive peer pressure. If you have good friends, the good friends really help you to control your suicidal thought or suicidal idea. Okay, because suicide prevention is the important one. Only with the positive peer pressure only we can able to handle suicide prevention. Okay, so that we're going to discuss today. The name of suicide prevention. Okay, so suicide prevention is the important one because with a rapidly growing of our economy, number of youths have found themselves under more pressure to succeed in economically as well as the academically, because it's like competitive world. In this competitive world, every youth are getting more pressure to achieve, to succeed in their life, like economically as well as the academically. So always they have tension, always they have the stress and depression also. So that's also reason of suicide. And also traditionally Indian family were huge and we have the joint family system, so we can get help from others, like we can share our problems to our uncle or auntie or some other relatives we have in our family, so we can share our problems and somebody give some support also. But now, due to the urbanization, due to the industrialization, due to the modernization, the family structure got changed. Now we are with the nuclear family, like only father mother only there, one sibling is there. So the family size is so small, we cannot share to anybody, we can't get any help from somebody, we can't able to get some motivation from somebody. So we have to take everything from our parents only, or we have to plan only from ourselves. So we are not able to get number of contacts. Because of this family structure also, we're not able to get relaxation, we're not able to get any kind of positive motivation, positive encouragement. It also reason of suicidal thought, suicidal idea from our society. And also recently, because of technology development, nowadays people are using mobile phone and some other technology things also. So we spend most of the time with your technology only. So we're not able to learn anything from other than the technology, like social contacts, social relationship, and have spend time with our friends. So also things we are getting decline. We are spend most of the time with our gadget and something internet or technology related only. So it also reason we're not able to get, you're not able to think something more, think something beyond the problem. Like this, we have the limited mindset, limited attitude, limited idea only we are getting because of addiction to the technology. And when the youth fail to fulfill the expectation, suddenly they think about the self-harm only. Like they think about the life, why the life is there, why I facing so and so problems, what is the use of the life. Like this, they get some negative attitude about the life. When they face some any fail or any wrong things or any unsuccessful things happen, immediately thought about the suicidal only. Okay, so suicidal prevention is the important one in our society. So we have this topic in our syllabus. Suicide, the meaning. Suicide is the act of intentionally causing one's own death. Okay, so purposefully, intentionally, knowingly, the person ending in his own life, that kind of things we can consider as the suicide. Su plus side, su means self, side means harm or death. Okay, so self death or self harm, that type of things we can consider as the suicide. Okay, so government of India also classifies some death as a suicide, that is unnatural death. Okay, natural death means like some by health, some other reason, the natural thing death will come, but unnatural death when it happen, that consider as the suicide. And intent to die originated within the person, like he planned himself and he ending his life. That type of death also we can consider as the suicide. And reason may be specified as a suicide, not a note or a unspecified, like the reason not able to identify and something you're not able to clarify something about the death reasons. That type of death also we can consider as the suicide. Okay, like this meaning is there to understand the term of suicide. So suicide means like once causing his own death or purposefully, knowingly, the person ending his own life, unnatural death, or plan about within the person and kill himself, and you're not able to get any kind of specific reason about death. The type of things we can consider as the suicide. Okay. Next one, suicide in India. In India, number of youngsters are committing the suicide because of various reasons. Okay, like about 8 lakhs people die by suicide in a year in our worldwide. From these 8 lakhs, 1,35,000 are resident in India. So around 17% of the total population of suicide from India only. Because India, we have nowadays we are developing into the next level. So we have more pressure, we have more plan, we have more target to achieve, we have more competitive things are happening. So due to this pressure, number of people not able to face the things, number of people not able to handle the situation properly. So they commit the suicide. Okay, so between 1987 and 2007, the rate also increased like 7.9 to 10.3 per 1 lakh person. Okay, that rate also getting increased because of the competitiveness, specialization, globalization, so also development things happening. Everybody has to work, everybody has to do their proper work, then only you can able to succeed. If you not have proper skill, if you doesn't have proper ability, doesn't have proper capability, then you can't able to success. It also make you failure. People not able to handle the failure properly. So the plan about the suicide. Okay, so in this time, the rates are increasing. Even recently also the suicide rates are increasing from our society. In 2012, the state-wise data is from this Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and West Bengal. Highest proportion of suicide happening in these states. Okay, Tamil Nadu 12.5%, Maharashtra 11.9%, and West Bengal 11%. So this is according to the 2012 status. Okay, we are going to get the recent data. So this is for information. Okay, and suicide is the first leading causes of death between the age of 10 and 24 years of the youngsters, particularly teenage people. Okay, because the next reason is like health problems or road accidents, social things happening. But first leading causes of teenage people are the youngsters facing death due to the suicide. Okay, so we have to take care of the issue seriously. We have to take some steps to control the suicidal things, because if we miss the human, then it affects our country also. We need proper human resources, then only country can develop into the next level, we can achieve something. But when we lose our human resources, it affects our country, it affects our other resources also. Okay, so suicide prevention is the important one in our day-to-day life. Okay, this is the state-wise suicidal counts. Like Maharashtra have huge suicide rates, suicide numbers, followed by Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Andhra. Like this, these are the top suicidal states. The lower suicidal rate states are UP, Bihar, and Rajasthan. So these states, the suicide rates are less. Okay, and also sometimes some state not count the suicidal things. They not register the suicidal rates to the police station, to the health department also. So some states not count the data properly. This is only the registered data. Whatever data the government have, with that only they release. So somewhere, some village, some place, the people not register the death things to the government. So unofficially, number of suicide also happening from our society. Okay, causes. We have number of causes, like number of causes are there. So I want to list the causes. First one, death of loved one. Okay, like your close friend, your close inmate partner, your close relative. When somebody you missing, when somebody faced death, you can't able to miss the things. You can't able to miss the person. So the person also commit suicide. That also mostly reasons. Mostly the inmate, partner, or a loved one, the type of people. When you miss somebody, the people also commit suicide. Next one, a divorce, separation, breaking of the relationship, so on so thing, like love failure, like these things. When somebody missing, when somebody separate from you, not able to tolerate the separation, so the people commit suicide. And losing custody of the children, when child missing from parents, when child missing from the guardians, the child not able to feel comfortable, and child not happy when they are alone. So the child may commit, think about the suicidal things. And serious loss, serious failure in job or the other business also. So sudden loss, suddenly some so and so things happen, means people not able to tolerate the sudden loss. Like recently also the Coffee Day owner and some other company owners and capitalists also commit suicide because of serious loss or sudden loss. something, you suddenly the job or losing the job or fired from the company, like this, not able to tolerate the kind of seriousness or loss of job. That's the reason of suicide. And serious illness, like some chronic illness, there is no medicine, you have to take the treatment for lifelong. That type of reason also some people are commit suicide. And chronic physical pain or intense emotional pain, mental stress also, loss of hope, being victimized. Some victim, like you involve some cases, you are the victim of some abuse or violence, means you're not able to get the blame, you're not able to accept the victim status. So that type of people also may thought about suicide. And unrelated mental illness, like not able to control number of pressure, stress, depression always is continuously there. There is no way to come out from the illness. Like this mindset is there, that people also may think. And genetically predisposed also, like the study also proved that in your generation, in your family, if anybody committed suicide, means the same idea happened to other people also. So genetically it come to you, the thought come to the person, that also kind of suicide also there. Depression, fear to face the problem. In our education system, we train the students to get only the mark, but we not train the system to face the problem. Okay, like only the mark based education system is there. Like only after complete your degree course also, the student not travel from one place to other place. He have fear. You don't know how to get the bus. You don't know how to fill the ticket. You don't know how to go from one place to other place. How to communicate to the driver. How to get the taxi. The basic things also the students not aware. So we not ready to face the problem. We always need some help. We always want to be with somebody. We always want some guideship. We always want some help from others. That type of mindset is there. We not train the students properly to face the problem, to face the society. Okay, there are also reason. And kind of sexual abuse, alcohol abuse things. You are a victim of abuse, anything also. And even you take alcohol, drugs more, that time your mind will change. That type of people also may thought about the suicidal thought. And feeling helpless, feeling hopeless, like this number of reasons is there. Okay, like bullying, low self-esteem, horrible disappointment, like this number of reasons is there. The person thought about or think about the suicidal things. Okay, just for information, you know that also things happening, and I also telling the reasons of suicide. Okay, so now we go for student suicide in India. This more important one. So recently the student suicide also increase each and every year. Okay, according to the National Crime Record Bureau, in 2015, 8,934 students are committing suicide every year. Okay, which means every hour one student commits suicide. Okay, you can imagine every hour. Okay, because according to the National Crime Record Bureau, each day, each and every day, 28 suicide cases they are receiving. Okay, which means 28 means 24 hours, 28 suicide. So at least, so from that you understand every hour one suicide things happening from our India. So we have to take care of the issue seriously. Okay, so with this, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu getting more suicide rates, suicide things happening. Like in Maharashtra, 230 out of 8,930 students, and in Tamil Nadu 955 out of 8,934 suicides. Okay, so this is the just for information about how much student suicide things happening from our society. Okay, because of number of pressure, like academic pressure is there, placement pressure is there, parental pressure is there, and like this, because of competitive world, we have to achieve, we have to get the rank, we have to place in the company, like this number of reason is there. Because of the pressure from the academic, from the parents, from society, from relatives, students not able to handle the things properly. We don't get proper guidance, we don't able to get proper help from the college, from the society also. So the the students thought about the suicidal things. Okay, so student suicides in India, year by year the ratio also increasing. Like 2014, 8,668 students, and 2015, 8,934 students, and 2016, 9,474 students. So like this, the rate also getting increase. Okay, so we have to take care of the issues seriously. Okay, causes So sometimes the people are telling due to the exam pressure, due to the academic pressure only, the students are committing suicide. Like this, the people are telling. Okay, it's true, but not only exam, not only the mark things. Okay, other than the exam also, we have other reasons also for students suicide in India. Okay, first one, forced career choice. We are getting forced to select our career, especially from the family and teachers in terms of their career choice and studies. Okay, what to select, what is good, what will be, what things more options, what things you can achieve more, what is more demand. Like this, your parents and teachers are forcing, your relatives also forcing the child or a student to select the course, to get so and so marks. You have to place, you have to get so and so company, you have to get so and so type of placement, dream offer. Like this, they're getting number of pressure. They're forcing about the career choice, about the career development, all those things. The child, the student not want to do, the student not interested about the career, student not interested about the subject also, but getting force from the teachers, from the parents, from the relatives. Due to that also, the student suicide things happening from our society. Next one, the poor educational system. Okay, the education system not train the child, not train the students to face the future, to face the problem. Okay, like I told you, the present education system only forcing, only giving only the degree based education only. Like you want to get the certificate, for that only the education system is running. Okay, we have to change the education system. Like we need some more practical things, how to face the situation, how to face the problem, how to solve the issue. That type of training we need from the education. Only the mug up or only the preparing the notes and getting the certificate, that type of education system, it not help to control the suicidal thought. And something, some education institutions also not give proper training, and they are giving more pressure to the child, they are more giving pressure to the students also. Okay, like top institutions also, in the top, the world or India's best top institutions also, the students are committing suicide because they are also giving more stress. They not understand the students' problem. They also giving other type of kind of pressure also. So students are facing the are committing the suicide. Okay, so we have to change our educational system. We give some relaxation, we give some other type of flexibility to the students. Then only students can take anything anytime. Like in our VIT we have the FFCS system, flexibility credit system is there. So students can do anything, anytime, anywhere. You can, anything you can do. Like this, we have to give some options. We have to relax, we have to change our education system. Then also students can get involvement. He also reduces the stress level also, that also help. So poor education system also reason for student suicide in India. And not speak up. Okay, the students also not raise the things, students also not ask the things to others, because some education system, they not arrange the counselors, they not arrange the help centers, they not arrange the kind of proctor or faculty advisor systems, all those things. Okay, so students not able to communicate, students not able to share the problem to the officials, to the teachers, to the parents, to the relatives also. So because the parents are strict, the teachers also strict, relatives also insulting, so the students getting some pressure and not able to speak up, not able to open up the problems also. So he have to hide everything within the individual, and he have to take the decision everything within the individual. That type of pressure it happening. So that type of things also reason of student suicide things in our India. So we have to change our treatment of child, treatment of the students also. We have to give some chance. We have to offer some help centers also. Okay, then only students can get the help from others. Then only he can come out from the suicidal thought. Okay, like this, we need number of, like this, we have number of causes of student suicide in India. Okay, suicidal thought people are there. They have some common suicidal behavior. From this, you understand the person is think about or thought about the suicide. If any of your friend also have any kind of this kind of behavior, then you have to control, you have to explain, you have to give the proper support to control the suicidal thought. For that, I'm telling what are the suicidal behavior that people express or people behave. From that, you understand the suicidal thought of your friend. Okay, like first one, self-injected injuries. Okay, for without any reason, he may have some injury, like cut the hand, or some cuts, some burns, some banging, kicking somewhere. Like this self-injury he may have within himself. From that, you understand he not in the condition, he may thought about something, he planned to kill himself. Like this, we can able to understand. Then we have to give the proper guidance to control that type of thought. Like self-injury means, right? The people used to cut the hand with the blade or some like cigarette mark, some type of self-injury you can able to identify from your friend. That is a suicidal behavior, suicidal intention. A reckless behavior, like you're not able to control the behavior. He may very adamant, he may do anything, he not behave properly. Okay, like a very different type of behavior he express with you. Okay, it's not a normal behavior also. From that also some of the symptoms of suicidal thoughts, suicidal idea. Okay, so that also we can able to guess, and we have to arrange the counselors to control that type of behavior. Okay, restless behavior also, suicidal thought behavior, and verbal behavior also totally change. Like he may use some vulgar words, he not give proper respect, he do something bad things also in the verbal kind of things. Okay, like this is also suicidal behavior. From there you understand, then we have to arrange the help for the student. Recused about the kind of self-harm kind of things, and talking about or talking actions related to the ending his own life. These are some of the symptoms or suicidal behavior which we can able to identify, and we have to arrange the help for the so and so friend. Any of your friend also behave in such a way, then we have to arrange the help. We have to communicate the information to the proctor or to the faculty, to the parents, to some other mature people. Then only we can able to stop, we can able to get the proper we can able to give proper counseling, we can able to control the suicidal thought. Okay, so other than that, some other warning symptoms also there. With this also we can able to guess about the suicidal thought or suicidal idea of person. Okay, first one, talking about feeling of hopeless or feeling of helpless, or he want to be alone, or talking about the trap, so and so things he used to talk. Okay, when the person used to feel or talk so and so things, there are also warning symptoms. And saying that they have no reasons to go on living, because everywhere there is the failures. I don't know how to come out from that. It is the end of my day, it is end of the semester. Like this, some are always tell some, there is no reason, there is no solutions, there is no way to come out from a problem. Like this, we always feel negative, we always speak about the negative things. There are also some of the warning signs to identify the suicidal behavior. And making a will or give away personal possession also. Okay, like you're not interested about any job, you're not interested about any like course, degree or subject, he avoid everything. Okay, he feel he not interested in anything, like that also warning symptoms of suicidal thought. And searching for the means to doing some personal harm things like gun or knife, some other things he used to search, he used to keep. It also symptoms or warning signs of suicidal behavior. And sleeping too much or too late or not give proper health care also, it also symptoms we can able to identify. And eating too much and resulting also getting some number of weight gain, weight loss also, not eating properly. At least something like weight loss, weight gain, he feel tired, he not feel interest anything. That type of symptoms also we can guess he have some suicidal idea. And engaging in reckless behavior, including excessive alcohol, excessive drugs also the person may take. It also symptoms of suicidal thought. And avoiding social interactions with others also. If you call also, he not attend the call, he not interested to play, he not interested to come outing like movie, all those things also. He avoid everything. Okay, these are the some symptoms. Okay, if any of your friend behave in such a way, then we have to help, we have to arrange the counselors, we have to arrange the people to control the suicidal thoughts. Only friend only can notice the things immediately. Like parents can notice after sometimes only, when the child express something to the parents, only parents can notice, because parents are busy in their profession, they are busy in their household work and some other business practice also. But the friends can notice immediately, because the students always be with the friends only. Only with the help of peer pressure only we can able to identify, we can able to notice, and we can help via positive peer pressure. Okay, the other common expressions about the suicidal thought, suicidal idea is like cannot stop the pain. It always hurting. It always giving number of pain to me. Like this, the idea the person have, the expression the person used to express, and cannot think clearly, and cannot get control of the mind, control of the issue, situation, all those things, and cannot make decisions, cannot see the way out. Cannot see any solutions to for my problem. Like these expressions he may express. and cannot sleep properly, cannot eat properly, cannot work properly, like these expressions he expressed, and cannot get out from the depression, cannot make the sadness go away from my life, cannot see the future without the pain, cannot see themselves or worthwhile, and cannot get someone attention, like this. Always have the negative mind, always have cannot or not or don't, like this. Always have some negative mind, negativity in his behavior, in his expressions also. It also some of the symptoms we can able to guess, and we have to arrange the people to control the suicidal thought. Okay, so how to help as a best friend, as a good friend, how you can help your peer, how can you help your friend? Anybody have the suicidal thought? Okay, everybody can help. We no need to get only from the counselors, only from the medical professionals. As an individual also, as a good friend also, we also can help the people to come out from the suicidal thought. Okay, how to help the suicidal thought friend? First one, be direct and talk openly. Whenever the person express such a way, such a symptoms you identified from your friend means, go to the friend, be direct. Like only direct interaction only help to control the suicidal thought. Okay, like indirect communication, like by calling, speaking by mobile phone, and chatting and mail, that type of communication did not help to control the suicidal thought. Only face-to-face interaction and be with the person, that type of interaction only help to control suicidal thought. As well as that talk openly, like if you hide something, if you secretly speak something, that also not help to control the suicidal thought. Whatever he express, he have to talk everything openly. That will help to control the emotions, control the suicidal thought. Next one, be willing to listen. He may express number of things to you, like from the first day he want to speak again and again the same things also, but we have to listen the things very patiently, very properly. How much you listening, how much the person express to you, it gives some ventilate the feelings, it gives some relaxation to the person. Okay, so we have to available and we have to listen the problem patiently and willingly. We have to listen the problem of the friend. When you listen the problem, it almost help the person to come out from the stress, come out from the depression also. Okay, so best friend only can do, good friend only can do this kind of things. Okay, so willing to listen the person problem, it also help to come out from the suicidal thought. Allow the expressions also, because he is in the angry mind, so he may do some different things also. He may throw something, he may tear the paper, sometimes he want to hug you, sometimes he want to slap you, something he may do, something he want to do, because the angry he will express in such a way only. So we have to allow the expressions also, like whatever he want to do, let him do. Let him want to hug me, let him hug, like this. Let him want to kiss, let them kiss. Kind of things we have to allow, because when he express something by physically, then only he may control, he may get some relaxation. Okay, so allow the person to do anything, that also help to control the suicidal thought. And be a non-judgmental. So don't take lecture about your life, don't tell about others life as an example. Your role is just to listen the problem, just to be with the person, just to give the company to the person. Okay, just to be, that is enough to control suicidal thought. If you take lecture, if you take some class to the person, then he feel bored, he are getting angry, get the suicidal thought again and again. Okay, so don't take any lecture, don't be any judgmental things also. Be with them and listen the problem, that help to control suicidal thought. Get involvement also. Okay, when the person share with you, when the person share the suicidal things or some issue, some problem to you, we have to listen and we have to get involvement also. Like while sharing the problem, you play something, you look somewhere and you also think something, means he not speak with you, he not share with you, then again it makes some gap, again the person gets some suicidal thought only. So whenever you want to speak with you, get the involvement, passion, listen all the problems. When you listen the things, when you involve yourself in the problem, then also he feels some good, he will come out from the suicidal thought. Become available, he need you anytime, like late night also he want to call you, even the early morning he want to meet you, like this he want you anytime, because the best friends only can do like this. I'm telling again and again, only with the positive peer pressures we can help the suicidal thought. So become available anytime. If we call you, if you want to meet you, you have to go, you have to be with the person, you have to spend time with the person. That type of spending time, give your company to the person, it also helps to control suicidal thought. Don't dare and don't encourage the person to do the things, don't get shocked about the suicidal thought. This, it will make you distance. And stay calm and speak about the reassuring tone also, very calm tone he have to use, like very aggressive, shouting, adamant way. If you speak, then it make you gap, it make you distance. Again, the person may thought about suicide only. So very minimum tone, very supportive tone, reassuring tone we have to use with the this type of suicidal thought, suicidal symptoms, behavior students are the friend. Okay, and tell them about the what are the available things are there to come out from the problem, come out from the issue. Okay. Some solutions are there. We can get help from so and so people. We can contact so and so people. The so and so people will help us. Like this, we have to give some. We have to show some availability to the friend. It also helps to control the suicidal thought. And don't get shocked, because if you are shocked, if you feel fear, then you don't want to share with you. Then he also fear. Okay, so don't shock in front of the person. Don't fear when he express to you. Okay, because it puts some distance. So listen the problem. Later you inform to others and offer some hopes also. What are the things are available, and that kind of things we have to search. We have to offer the. We have to tell the offer thing or hope things also. It also helps to control suicidal thought. Remove such a harmful things like a pills or guns or some other things available in the room means remove the such a things, because he may use the things anytime. So remove the such a harmful things in his room. It also helps to control the suicidal thought. And because see, whenever the person see look the person so and so things, he may get the idea. So remove such a harmful things in his room and get help from the persons or the agencies or specialized people to involve in the matter. They also will help. They also will control. They also will guide to control the suicidal thought. Like in the college, in university means we can help, we can inform to the HOD, we can inform to the some faculty, we can inform to the hostel people, we can inform to the some proctor. You are in the home means we can inform the parents. Some things we have to inform the information to some adult members. Some agency also there. Some number of NGOs also there. The NGOs are working to control suicidal thought. So we can inform to that type of people. It also helps to control the suicidal thought. Okay, so these things as a best friend we can do. These are the activities to control the suicidal thought. Okay, only with help of the positive peer pressures only we can control the suicidal thought. Best friend. Okay, so who can help? As I told you, best friend, good friends only can help by positive peer pressure, like positive support, positive motivation, positive encouragement, and always be with the people. Always support your friend and listen the problem patiently. And like when the person ventilate the problems to you, then he may feel relaxed. So best friends, good friends can really help to control suicidal thought. Next one, healthcare professionals like the physician or the nurse practitioners or physician assistants. So these people also can help, because they are in the practice, they are in the type of world. So they can know about how the things happening, why things happening, how to control so and so things. So healthcare professionals also can help to control suicidal thought. And mental health professionals like psychologists, social workers, some teachers, counselors, nurse, principals, and college and university resources staff. These members also, they have, because they are dealing with number of students, they are getting number of students problems like that. So they can handle the situations, they can arrange the good things to control the suicidal thought. So mental health professional also really help to control the suicidal thought. And next one, the last one, like NGO also there, non-government organizations are there, as well as the voluntary organizations also there. So voluntary associations or non-government organizations also help to control the suicidal thought. We have number of NGO. The NGOs are really work to control suicidal things from our society. Like these are the suicide prevention helplines in India. Like not only this much, we have number of helpline, number of NGOs are working really to control the suicidal thought. Okay, like Asra, Fortis, Parivartan, Kuj Mental Health Foundation, Sneha Foundation, iCall. Like this, we have number of foundations, number of NGOs are there. They have toll-free number also. Whenever you have any issue, whatever you have problem, you can call this number. They're ready to help you. They're ready to give counseling by online, by phone call. They can give you counseling. Okay, if any of your friend also have some idea, you can tell these things to your friend, or you can call. You can inform these things to these organizations. This organization will take care. The organization will help the person to control the suicidal thought. That we can do by the positive peer pressure only. If you are good friends can notice, good friends can help by contact these people, and through that we can able to control the suicidal thought of the student. Okay. Next one, like others can do, like campus, the college also can do to control the suicidal thought. Like our VIT, we have number of chance to control the suicidal thought. Like because we have the proctor system, we have faculty advisor, we have HOD, we have counselors, we have students welfare department, from the director, assistant director, like this number of people are there to help to control the suicidal thought. And also college also can create some center, like help center or some counseling centers, like this college can do. From that accessible resources, student service we have to arrange by academic assistants, how to start your career, what is your plus, what is your minus, what is your ambition, what is your talent, that type of things we can able to guide the students. College, it also helps to control the suicidal thought. And students also need to know where to contact and whom to contact, who is available. So also things students has to know. Like in our VIT we have this, but some engineering college, some institute also there is no help centers. Even students also not aware whom to call, where I have to complain, I have this stress, where I have to share. That type of things the college not arrange. Okay, when they not arrange anything, that time also the students not able to come out. So every college has to arrange the help centers, some counselors, some person for the handling the students problem. Okay, that things really help to control the suicidal thought from the college, from the school, from the university also. Okay, and in a VIT we have number of counselors. These are the counselors number, counselors mail ID also there. Like this kind of email also you are receiving continuously from the director of students welfare. Like this much counselors are there, you can call anybody anytime, you can call these people, they are ready to help you, ready to guide you properly about your academics, about your family, about your personal, every problems, anything you can share with these people. They really help you to come out from your suicidal thoughts. Like these students, like this, the college arranging number of services to the students to control the suicidal thought from our society. Okay, importance, why we are talking about this suicide prevention. So it's a very important one, because suicide is a leading cause of death for the teens, for the teenage people. Mostly school going and college going children only. Number of students are committing the suicide. That's the leading causes of death for the teenage people. So we have to know about that. We have to control the suicidal thought as soon as. And 25% of the high school students are report about suicide idea. They have the idea. They are think about that. Why there is a life? I can't able to succeed. I can't able to success. There is no better. Like this, always they have the negativity in their mind. About 25% of the high school students have the negativity in their mind. So you can imagine after even school level they have the negativity. When they join the college, then it will be increased, because in college there are more ambitions, more stress, more academic pressure like this. So it get increased. So we have to take the steps as soon as we have to control the suicidal thought also. And attempt rate also getting increased. Okay, like 10 to 14 years old also getting attempt, like some small type of attempt they are doing. Okay, that also we have to control by suicidal prevention only. And most people who commit suicide, they don't want to die, they just want to stop the hurting, stop the problem only. But there is no, that the people not able to identify the people or person to whom to contact, how to handle the situation, all those things. So that is only the ending the life. Okay, so if you get the proper awareness, if the individual get proper counseling, if the individual get proper chance to come out from the problem, then you don't want to commit suicide. So that we have to arrange properly. It also helps. It also important one to control the suicidal thought. And suicide prevention start with recognizing the warning signs and talking to them seriously. It's not things happen suddenly. We can get some warning symptoms, warning signs we can get from the individual. If you have the good friend, only can notice. If the individual have the positive peer pressure, definitely the positive peer pressure will help to control the suicidal thought, because we can able to guess the suicidal thought, suicidal idea also. So okay, so from the warning signs we can able to guess so and so things. So that we can express, that way we can able to help the suicidal things. And also talking openly about the suicidal thoughts and feelings also can save the life, because number of people not share, number of people not want to share with the students also. Even sometimes the parents also not want to share with the children, because parents feel that if I speak about these unnecessary things, then my students also get, my son or my daughter also may get some that type of thought. So they also avoid to speak. And some college students also, some college faculty also not teach. They also fear unnecessary, why you have to speak about suicidal information, all those things. So people are escape, people are avoiding the discussing about the suicidal issues, suicidal issues or suicidal incidents. Okay, that we have to talk openly. in school, in college, we have to talk openly. Then only the students can get the understanding. Students can get the solution. Students can come out from the suicidal thought. But when we not teach, when we not clarify the doubts, then again they have the idea. It also make the individual get more hurt, and they may do some self-harm things. Okay, so we have to talk the suicide prevention in our day-to-day life. Like with the help of positive peer pressures, we can able to control the suicidal thought, suicidal idea from our society. So how much you have the good friends, really the good friends can help you to control your suicidal thoughts, or any of your friend have any thought by your positive peer pressures, you can also can help your friend to control the suicidal thought, because you are in the academic side, you going to come to college, you are in the hostel, you with your roommate, you with your classmate, you can guess the warning symptoms, you can guess the expressions, you can guess the behavior of the suicidal. With that, you can able to control the person to come out from the suicidal thought. Okay, it's a very important one in our day-to-day life. So we have to keep the things in our mind. Every day we can use, every time we have to use in our society, like not only from your friends, like your relatives also, your cousin, your relatives, your neighbors, anybody have any thought, anything you guess, anything you identified, means we have to arrange the people, we have to arrange the helpline numbers, or we have to give something from ourselves. We also can do something from ourselves. It also help to control the suicidal thought. So something we have to do, because number of people are commit suicide, we are lost our human resources also. So that we have to take care seriously. By help of your good friendship, by help of your good support only, we can able to control the suicide issues from our society. Okay. Lose your hope. We have the hope. We have the solutions for all problems. Okay. So there is no problem without solution. Everything we can able to solve with help of the proper mind or proper guidance. Okay. Kindly use this, and kindly stop your kind of thought also. It's not good for your family, good for yourself, and good for society also. Okay. Thank you.